Experience driving perfection in the 2008 Ford F-350. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Ford are offered, including front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, a rear step bumper, a trailer hitch, and more. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Come on in and take a test drive.